Hello. Hi. Now finishes my happy Monday. It's a little bit cold. The weather now here in Baghdad is little bit cold. Kaya ganun. Finish na ako maglinis sa kitchen. Yung siya finish ko. Madam, she bring me in the school, so now I'm here. Cleaning this number two. So as usual, every day. So that it's not so much dust in the balcony. And the mosquito. Not too much mosquito to stay here. So it's better to clean every day. And it's little bit windy. Ayan. It's little bit windy. Ayan. The sun is just now go out. Kaya ganun. Hindi mo talaga pwedeng, you cannot clean every day, except if some of them it's they just clean once a week, or it depends with them. But my hair I need to clean kasi nga I put my laundry in this side. In this balcony I put my laundry. That's the reason. And it's good also that you are looking on the balcony. It's not dusting, too much dust. Yes, as usual. Cleaning and work. That's what we do. So when I finish here in the balcony, I clean the room of Celine also. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Again and again, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you to all of you that you are still subscriber in my channel that I cannot visit in every day to you. That you are uploading every videos that I download. That of what I'm feeling you are in part of your journey. Because all of you, the old viewers, the old not viewers, the old subscribers, the old not subscribers, the old supporters, not supporters, to all that they are already make habit to watch in the social media, in the different, what's that, different kind of social media that you want. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. And almost I say thank you. Generalize na lang to all that you help me. You are helping to me while I'm making hair, my journey. while I'm working here. Thank you so much. And God knows everything will be provide what you need. Because God only knows what we are doing and what we do and what we need. So yeah, thank you so much. Very good. Hindi pa. Ayan o, yung ano doon o. Ayan. Yung video doon. Kaya thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for everything, Lord. Thank you to the YouTube company, to the staff, to the workers, to the different kinds of the companies. Thank you, thank you. So now I'm going now to the room of Celine to clean. Tomorrow na ako mag-laundry kasi it's a little bit windy. Maybe mag-dust na naman. At least I make a little bit clean. It's not very dirty. So, ayan yung weather. Weather is not good. In and off the sun. Okay? Ayan. Parang ano siya, parang ano ba yun? Yung rainy, uulan o ano, ewan ko. Kung uulan ba talaga. It depends sa weather na. Thank you for watching, and bye.